I think that certain amount of material freedom is necessary to enter into any spiritual path. Is it possible to practice meditation for the people who are struggling for the basic needs? Yes, it is necessary. A certain amount of material freedom is necessary for all sincere yearning people who want to do spiritual sadhana. That is why Mother also told that in ashram I want to provide everything that is needed for sadhana, physical needs, roti, kapda or makan, for living, minimum needs that has to be provided for the sadhakas, those who are sincere. For them it is necessary. Because if they will spend whole of their time running after how to live, how to earn for basic needs, then they cannot do inner sadhana. That is why Mother also said that it is required. But it is not for all. If there are insincere people, then they will get the advantage to sleep more or enjoy more. Because the basic needs are fulfilled, so they will take the advantage to go below of their consciousness. They will not do sadhana. So for them it is not helpful. Only for them, those who sincerely want to do sadhana, for them, if material need is provided through the system, then they will get all the advantage to do their sadhana. Sadhana means discovering the invisible laws of the world and finally reaching to the divine and manifesting the divine in our life. These all things require subtle work, so many subtle discoveries. If we are engaged always in outside things, then how can we will concentrate in the things that are necessary for sadhana? There are another kinds of people where their number is very few. They don't need any external support. Whatever may be the situation, they will come out. On the other hand, if the situation is more critical, they will come out with more powerful. There are great vibhutis like Prahlad or Bhakta Tukaram or like many people. For them, this minimum material necessity, material freedom is not required. Wherever you place, they will come out. But their number is very few. There are some people, if you give the advantage, they will not do sadhana. Before that, while they are in the crisis, they do sadhana. They call the divine, always try to depend on the divine and everything. And the moment everything is okay, they forget the divine. So there are many type of people, but those who are very, very sincere, for them certain amount of material freedom is necessary.